Birthday list off with a smiling Aniston King. Aniston celebrating her second birthday. Happy birthday, big girl. She's in Erie.
What a cutie there. Aaliyah Ketcher turning 5 years old this year. Another cutie there in Joplin. Your birthday wish is coming with much love from Grammy and Papa Carnahan. Happy birthday, Aaliyah.
It is a party in Galena, Kansas. Specifically, it is a party in the Clyburn household because that big man there on the left, he is celebrating his 7th birthday. That is Dalton Clyburn. Dalton, I want you to have a very happy birthday. And guess who he shares it with? Carol Clyburn, his grandma. Carol is celebrating her 64th. Dalton and Carol, a very happy birthday to the both of you.
Well, Michael, it may be party time in Galena, but it's also double the trouble party time in Chanute, Kansas, because the Gentis twins are turning 8 years old this year. There's Austin and Devin. Austin and Devin both celebrating their 8th birthday this year.
Wyatt Yost has a 14th birthday. Get a little riding in this weekend after that rain's over there, Wyatt. Happy birthday to you in Columbus.
All right. And Stuart O'Brien, now a junior this year at St. Mary's Colgan. Wow, grown up, 17 years old for Stuart. Happy birthday.
Let's run out to Parsons and celebrate a couple twos on the board for Miss Caitlin Young. Caitlin, happy birthday.
Devin Heckert, turning 26 years old. Little throwback picture there for Devin in Pittsburgh.
And a 29th birthday for Robin Hutto Zorns. Robin, have a great weekend. She's celebrating in Riverton.
Scott Mullerin is 59 years old this year in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Scott.
And a 60th birthday celebration for Vicky Wadino. Happy birthday to Vicky in Pittsburgh.
In Jasper, Sandra Earl. Love that picture there. Turning 69 years old this year. Happy birthday, Sandra.
Back to the Berg because we've got a 70th birthday celebration for Mr. Tom Lockmiller. Tom, have a great weekend.
And Sister Julita Polly.
Yes. Marvelous.
Originally from St. Paul, is now 97 years old.
Just a marvelous woman right there. Happy birthday, sister. I hope you are doing extremely well, ma'am. And Linda Decker has a birthday in Pittsburgh. Linda, a happy birthday weekend to you.
Happy birthday, Linda. Joyce Kopp down in Miami, Oklahoma, turning 72 years old this year. Elizabeth Sherrill is 12 years old in Webb City. And Kathy Paddock celebrating birthday number 64 in Galena. Remember we said the Clyburns were going to be partying? Well, this is Carol, Grandma Clyburn's twin sister.
Isn't that something else?
Yeah.
A good day. That's gonna be a big birthday party right there.
Yeah.
Jim Sparks, a happy birthday to you. Mr. Sparks is celebrating in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.